Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Don't mind me just trying to figure out what I'm doing with my bloody hair. I want to get festive because it's the last day of November, so I think it's okay for me to start feeling festive. So all the festive makeup looks are going to be coming soon. So excited about playing with all the new makeup I bought in the Black Friday sale. Oh my god, I managed to get my hands on one of Twee's mystery bags. So ex-Tweely has done her mystery bags again. Finally managed to get my hands on them. Bought a bag for my birthday. I've treated myself, and that's coming in the next couple of days. So keep your eyes out for that coming on my channel, guys. How are you guys? Are you all ready for Christmas? I haven't even bloody started, guys. I'm not even gonna lie, I've not even started. The only thing that I've done is the mystery bag for work. That is literally the only Christmas thing I've done. That's about it, really. So I'm literally just gonna, I'm not doing like an amazing makeup look. I'm just literally putting on a bit of makeup so I mean, I probably scared you off to death by now anyway. So guys, I just want to touch on seasonal depression. You know, all year round depression. People suffer, especially this time of year financially, especially in the current climate that we're all in at the moment. We're all in this together at the moment. I mean, I know that's a bit of a cliche to say, but we are. And if you are struggling financially, I will put some charities down below. If it's grievance counselling that you need, and if you've lost somebody, I lost my stepdad last year, so Christmas for us last year wasn't as great. It's not really going to be as great either without him being here anymore. If you are struggling that little bit more and need a little bit more help, then I will put some grievance counselling down below, some charities for those. If you are suffering from like seasonal depression, because that's the thing as well, a lot of people, you know, this time of year, we're all happy, we're all upbeat, we're all looking excited for the future. But there are a majority of people that physically aren't. They probably haven't even got a home, or, you know, or they've split up with their partners. You know, major things do happen throughout the whole of the year. Sometimes it's more harder this time of the year as well. So if I can help in any way with my platform, then I will pop some charities down below for you guys to check out. I hope that helps a little bit, guys, because I suffered with depression a long time, and I let it get the best of me, and I wished that I could have known about some of these charities and been able to talk to somebody who would have probably helped me out a little bit sooner. Making sense with all this as well, guys. So if you are struggling financially, grieving, seasonal depression, anxiety, anything at all, I will link as many charities that can help down below, guys. I have been using this on a regular basis. This is just the Lion King bronzer. So the Future of the Lion King Jungle bronzer, and I've just been putting it on with a big fluffy brush and just popping it on. Like I say, I'm not doing anything too fancy today because we're just being in the living room. We're just decorating the living room. I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush as well and just pop that straight into the crease of my eye. And my favourite blush, which is from Beauty Bay. I'm just going to whack my brows on. So as usual, I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Brow Expert. I got this in my mystery box with Sean. Any day I get free, you better believe I will be in my beauty room and I will be filming videos for you guys. So we've got the ex-Tweely box coming. I'm also doing a couple of collabs with people. So those collabs are on their way. They're coming soon. So you'll see those when they come. So some really exciting content coming to the channel. And also I've ordered the Jama box because I've seen so many bloody people like doing videos with Jama box, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna try Jama box out for myself. But I did pay for that Jama box with my own coins. If you want to reach out to me and do a little cheeky collab, then that would be amazing. I'm just gonna pop some Got To Be glued because this video is gonna be bloody hella long if I keep rabbiting on the way I am. I just feel like I want to talk today, so that's why I put the camera on. Obviously I'm gonna be doing my living room, and don't mind what I'm wearing today, guys, because I've literally just come on my period. So there's that. Wearing a hoodie and my leggings. I live in them. I really do. If I'm not working, If I'm not at work wearing my silly purple dress, then I'm literally in leggings and a hoodie because that's what I live in. Because comfort is key, guys. Comfort is absolute bloody key. Spraying, I'm going to be spraying my face with the Revolution Super Fix Super Hold Setting Mist with the bloody long name. But this stuff is, oh, I've got an itchy boob. This stuff, that's the only thing. You know when I'm on my period, right? This is a bit of TMI, so switch off if you're a guy. Bit of TMI, when I'm on my period, are you guys the same? My nipples freaking kill. I can't abide anything touching them and they itch like crazy. Just a thing. So yeah, I'm going to be spraying some of this on. Plus, I don't know where to bloody put my tree. I don't know whether to move Maisie's cage into this corner over here, bring the unit and put it in my beauty room, but you guys won't see it because it'll be over in that corner. Bring Maisie and put her into like the little archway little bit and put my tree on the main wall in the living room where I can see it when I'm having my coffee and blah de blah de blah. I'm just going to put my favourite mascara, which is the Essence Lash Princess, which is a staple. Oh my god, so last night, right, I was literally just watching YouTube on my laptop, minding my own business, looked at Tony, told him I loved him and then bawled my bloody eyes out. It's probably because I'm on. It's probably because I'm on or whatever. Oh my god, I felt so emotional last night. Oh, I've not even told you this lipstick. So I picked this up in the Black Friday. So it's this beautiful shimmery red. It's from BH Cosmetics and it's in Low Key Love You. So BH Cosmetics is Holly Boon's brand. And oh my god, I've been wearing this. Why do I talk when I'm doing it? I've been wearing this lip gloss to death for the last few days. It's just perfect for Christmas. This is the makeup that I'm wearing today. This is virtually the kind of makeup I wear every single day, not gonna lie. And it's a little bit plumpy, this lipstick, this lip gloss as well, so you can feel it tingling. I'm gonna pop all this makeup things away and then I'm gonna take you into the living room and we're gonna see the Christmas decorations and where I want to put things. stop that before I get copyrighted. Right, guys, I have literally been spending the last probably 2.5, 3 hours getting this living room festive. I think I've finally done it. Now, I've told you guys before, me and Tony rent this house, so the decor is not really our style. And after Christmas, I'm getting some new curtains because I hate the curtains that are up. They are from the landlord. Come after Christmas, sorry, New Year. I am going to be buying a new TV unit for this room and new curtains. New curtains for the bedroom, for our bedroom. Oh my God, guys. We went to the range the other day and oh my God, we bought a king size teddy bear duvet set. It is the bloody best thing we have ever bought. I don't want to get out of bed in the morning. It literally feels like it gives you a cuddle every morning, and seriously, I do not want to get out of bed. Maisie is now probably thinking the gonks, because oh my God, I've got some gonks as well, guys. I've gone gonk crazy. I absolutely love them. Tony, he's not a fan, but I bought them anyway because I wanted them. So I'm just going to give you a quick pan of, I've just gave you already a quick pan of the Christmas tree. I'm so in love with my Christmas tree. I decided this year to use like we've got like a little coffee table that we use at the side here, but I've just used a little table that I normally put my PC on, so I don't know what I'm going to put my PC on. I'm going to have to probably buy another one of them. They're only like $4.99, I think. But yeah, I've used my little side table, put my tree on top of that, and it looks lovely. My tree, okay, so I think we got it from either Argos or Home Bargains last year or the year before, and it's a half tree, guys, because I don't know about anybody else, but I like my front of my tree to look full, to look beautiful, to have some pizzazz to it. No one's going to see the back of the tree, hon, unless you've got a massive house and you can see all the way around your tree. Here in the UK, we don't have that privilege of having massive rooms. My beautiful tree looks beautiful at the front, but at the back, she is as flat as a pancake. Literally, it's half a tree. It's meant to go up against the wall, but because I've put her on the table, that's why I had to get the step ladders and put my beautiful angel on top. I absolutely love my angel. Look at this. Look at this. Little Miss Nosy over here, look. She does it all the time. Tony will literally be home in like the next few minutes. So she knows that he'll be home. Taking my car for an MOT. Fingers crossed it passes. So we're taking it to the garage tonight. It'll have its MOT tomorrow, and then I can update you in the comments to tell you if it's passed or not. Fingers crossed. She should pass. She should pass. She's had brand new tyres put on, brakes. Tony's just gone to get some windshield wipers because they were a bit like squeaky. So yeah, he's going to pick up some new ones with those. But yeah, I'll give you a quick pan. I don't do a lot. Main thing I do is my fireplace and my tree. I don't have anything hanging from the ceiling. I just don't like it. I like it minimal, and yeah, but I love my fairy lights. Fairy lights are everywhere. So I'll give you a quick pan and then I'll probably wrap this video up. And the next video will either be the Tweely box, the Jama box, or I'm going to be doing like a Christmas party kind of inspired look. To collaborate with me in a video, then message me down below or message me privately on Instagram and we can talk about it. But yeah, without me blabbering on, because I've been blabbering on for like the last 8 minutes, I'm going to just do you a quick pan of what I've done. So we've got the good old Elton John on telly. So this is my fireplace. So this is the fireplace. Actually, I'll just block out those. So this is the fireplace. I did in fact put Maisie's bed there because I think under the window sometimes in the winter it can get cold. So I like to put her in that little corner because I feel like it's a little bit warmer for her. Then down here, oh my God, guys, these are my little gongs. Oh, these are my little gonks that I was talking about. Now I got these, I got 2 of them and I got them, oh look at that horrible fireplace. I got these gonks from Home Bargains for £5 each. The little Christmas teddy bears. My mum got me those years ago. They've got to be at least 20 years ago. I got these little reindeers years ago as well. They're from Poundland. Poundland is so amazing, guys, for like cheap little ornaments. Absolutely amazing. Don't sleep on Poundland for the ornaments, guys, because look at these. Got a Santa one last year. I got this reindeer. My sister got me these. I got this reindeer and then this little snowman. They're walking past my house, probably looking at me thinking, what the hell is she filming her decorations for? For my subscribers, hon. That is literally it. And I've got a few little, oh, I didn't show you that. Just a few little starlights, which I probably got from Home Bargains, to be honest. So yeah, just a few little starlights. That to me is really, really cozy. It feels cozy. It feels Christmas now. I'm in the Christmas spirit. Maisie's in the Christmas spirit. I don't know. She's had a sulk on her all morning since I bought the Christmas tree down. She doesn't like anything in boxes. I don't know why. We've had her since she was a puppy. Just a funny little bugger. She's a funny little bugger, aren't you? Little funny little bugger. Been a bit more festive than what I was. I wasn't really feeling very festive, if I'm being honest. But now my living room looks like a little Santa's grotto. I'm feeling a little bit more festive. I tried to put some Christmassy music on and feel the vibes. But yeah, sometimes it can be quite difficult, can't it, to feel the vibes of Christmas. I feel like it's just come round so quick. It was 1 minute, it was like August. The next minute I looked, it was like my birthday, which is November, obviously, if you're new. And hi to all of my new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the family. I'm not going to do Vlogmas because Vlogmas is too much, especially with me working full time. That will be just too much pressure. But I promise there will be more videos uploaded each week in the month of December. As much as I can. As much as I physically can. I will try and get you as many videos out as possible. But I want them to be valued videos, you know what I mean? I don't want to just chuck out for the sake of chucking them out. I will see you in the next video. I love you always and stay safe whatever you are doing and have a fabulous time if you're Christmas shopping, if you're seeing family. I love you guys. See you later. Bye.